Relaunch, Unveiled, Unpacking the Meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the term, relaunch. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only its meaning but also its application in various contexts. Let's get started. Relaunch is a compound word made up of re and launch. Breaking it down, re usually means again or once more. Launch means to start or set in motion. So, relaunch essentially means to start or set something in motion again. It's like pressing the restart button on a computer or reopening a closed book to read from the beginning. 1. Product relaunch. A company might have introduced a product a few years ago, and for some reason, it didn't do well. After making some improvements, they bring it back to the market. This is a product relaunch. 2. Website relaunch. Ever visited a website and found an announcement saying it's being redesigned? Once the improvements are done, the website is reintroduced. This is known as a website relaunch. 3. Event relaunch. Sometimes, events or programs might be reintroduced after a hiatus or a break, especially if they were successful or have a refreshed format. Understanding related terms can help deepen the understanding of relaunch. Here are some. Restart. To begin something again after it has been interrupted or paused. Reintroduce. To introduce something again, especially when it has been absent or unused. Revive. To bring back to life or consciousness, or to renew or restore something that has declined. Here are some sample sentences. 1. The company decided to relaunch its flagship product with new features. 2. After some technical issues, the online platform had a successful relaunch. 3. The magazine went out of print for a few years but had a massive relaunch last summer. Relaunch is a versatile term used across various sectors and industries. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Always remember, English is a language full of nuances, and the more we explore, the better we understand. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.